Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you've seen the videos I got out there on splicing this fender together with glue, the last video out of that series, I run it over the tractor, see how it hold up. So I thought, I can do one better. The way this metal bonding adhesive is designed, it has more shear strength than anything else, meaning when those two panels are glued together, it's meant so they can't slide, one can't come off the other, that's shear strength. If you take them and pull them apart this way, they'll release fairly easy. So I think what I'm going to try with this fender, I'm going to flatten it back out, I'm going to bend both ends up, and I'm going to put the porta power in between there and see if we can get this thing to separate. So let's get started. Okay, let's see what happens. I wish there was some way I could tell how much pressure is on here. I don't have a gauge to put on it, but let's just see what happens. It's wanting to bend these apart. All right, let's try that again. Well, let me try something else. Well, it's just popping everything apart here on the ends. Well, it's not budging. What it's doing, it's bending the sheet metal on the end here. Yep, it's getting ready to slide off. What it's doing, it's just pushing the sheet metal right off of this angle iron. Here's where I had it bent right there, and it slid that all the way down. So it doesn't look like it's going to let go with as much force as you can get on it with the porta power trying to clamp it some way. So, yep, I'm impressed with this stuff. Okay, let's try something else. Got this clamp here. Drill a hole in sheet metal, bolt it together. I'm going to go right through where I glued that patch on. Well, we'll see what this does. Not much. Well, no luck with this either. Okay, one last try. That's not doing anything, and what it starts doing is bending the porta power. Puts a lot of stress right where the seal is. Yep, that's what it did. It actually just ruined this ram. It put some tension on here. It won't retract now. It'll go up past that point, but it's leaking oil out of it. I'm out of business here, but that glue does hold pretty good. It basically, as far as shear strength, it seems to be toughest part of the fender. That metal bonding adhesive is some good stuff. So I don't know what the issue was. Is that glue stronger than this porta power? That's an OTC, and it just ruined this ram trying to spread that apart. So this is locked up. I think it bent the shaft here. So I hope I get a lot of views on this video, make enough money to pay for a new one. But anyway, or maybe OTC will send me one, and I don't know, maybe it's just not made as good as the old Blackhawk, but I'm not really impressed with that. But anyway, I couldn't destroy the fender, so we're gonna call it quits right there. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you want, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.